What's up, CircuitPoint Tech family? These look like normal Ray-Ban sunglasses, right? But what if I told you those lenses aren't just seeing the world, they're actively learning from it? Inside this stylish frame is advanced AI that sees what you see, hears what you hear, and literally learns how you perceive reality. Here's the wild part. Most people wearing these glasses have absolutely no idea what's really happening behind those lenses. This isn't just another smart gadget, it's the beginning of a completely new form of intelligence that grows by observing the world through human perspective. Today we're uncovering what Ray-Ban Meta glasses are actually doing behind the scenes and why you're participating in one of the largest AI learning experiments in history. Let's dive into the truth. Let's start with the obvious features everyone already understands. Ray-Ban Meta glasses are a collaboration between Meta and Luxottica, delivering stylish design with serious tech inside. They capture crisp 12-megapixel photos and 1080p video, have open-ear speakers hidden in the arms, and a 5-microphone array that captures audio with impressive clarity. The hands-free voice control responds to "Hey Meta" commands, letting you interact with AI, capture content, and even live stream directly to Instagram or Facebook, all without touching your phone. These surface features are genuinely impressive and represent solid smart glasses functionality. But here's what most users completely miss. These glasses weren't designed just to record your world. They were engineered to understand it at a fundamental level. Every single command, every "Hey Meta, look and tell me what this is," helps the AI interpret how humans perceive and describe reality. You're not just using a product, you're actively shaping the intelligence powering it. This transforms the glasses from simple tech accessories into sophisticated learning instruments that get smarter with every interaction. Here's where everything changes. When you ask these glasses to identify something, a plant, a landmark, a product label, the AI isn't just providing an answer, it's learning from how you formulate the question, what catches your attention, and how you describe the world around you. Meta's Look and Ask feature uses multimodal AI, simultaneously processing what you say and what the camera sees. When you ask, "Hey Meta, what kind of dog is that?" the system isn't simply doing image recognition, it's building a fundamentally richer understanding of how humans describe, categorize, and relate to their environments. This is where the real secret emerges. Meta is quietly constructing one of the largest real-world visual learning datasets in history. And this isn't from stock images or internet photos, but from genuine first-person human perspective across millions of users. Think about the implications. Most AI systems learn from static datasets, curated, labeled, processed information. But Ray-Ban Meta glasses learn from living data, how you point, speak, look, and react in real time across infinite real-world scenarios. This gives Meta an enormous advantage in developing what researchers call embodied AI, artificial intelligence that can perceive and respond the way humans actually do. While competitors train AI on datasets, Meta trains AI through human experience. That's a massive competitive edge. The strategic brilliance becomes clear when you understand these glasses aren't just cool wearable tech, they're Meta's silent rehearsal for what comes next. Everyone assumed Meta's future was tied to VR headsets like the Quest series, but the real computing revolution isn't happening in virtual worlds. It's happening right here in augmented reality. Ray-Ban Meta glasses serve as Meta's bridge between today's smart devices and tomorrow's fully immersive AR experiences. They're executing this in a way nobody anticipated, hiding the next computing revolution inside something stylish enough for everyday wear. Think of it as humanity's training wheels for ambient computing. Meta isn't trying to immediately dump holograms into your visual field. They're teaching you and millions of other users how to live comfortably with computers that see, hear, and understand surroundings without conscious awareness. Every tap, every "Hey Meta" command, every photo captured teaches the system how people naturally interact with AI in real-world contexts. This represents priceless data for developing the next generation of AR glasses that'll layer navigation, translations, and notifications directly into your field of vision. But here's the genius part. Meta is solving all the hard technical problems through these glasses right now. Battery life optimization, processor heat management, all-day comfort, voice control accuracy, response latency, microphone noise cancellation, basically everything they'll need perfected for full AR implementation. These glasses appear to be lifestyle products, but behind the scenes, they're among the most ambitious hardware development projects in technology. If you're wearing them now, you're part of Meta's long-term play to bring augmented reality into everyday life. Here's something most users don't realize. The 5-microphone system serves a purpose beyond recording audio or handling calls. It's how the AI learns to understand you specifically, not just what you say, but how you say it. The system captures your phrasing patterns, rhythm variations, and tonal nuances. This is how Meta's assistant becomes increasingly skilled at responding like an actual human rather than a robotic system. It's learning what "help me out here" sounds like versus "what's that?" or "tell me something interesting." Instead of training you to communicate like a machine, these glasses train the machine to communicate like you. This adaptive learning builds a personal understanding of your individual communication style. The more you use the glasses, the more they adapt to your patterns, preferences, and even your sense of humor. It becomes like having a friend who remembers your habits and anticipates your needs. The microphones, cameras, and AI work together to build contextual understanding around you. That's why these glasses feel faster, sharper, and more human than any other AI device currently available. They're not guessing based on generic algorithms. They're learning directly from your specific behavioral patterns. The brilliance is in the seamless integration. You don't need to consciously think about it or modify your behavior. You just live your life naturally, and the glasses handle the sophisticated learning process invisibly in the background. That's the kind of technology that doesn't feel like technology. It just feels like an enhanced version of yourself. Here's where the philosophical implications become profound. These glasses aren't just teaching AI how to see the world, they're teaching humans how to see more of it. Most technology historically pulled attention away from life into screens, fragmenting our focus and separating us from real experiences. Ray-Ban Meta glasses do the opposite. They give you more life, more awareness, more context without that separation. You look at a building and instantly access its historical significance. You encounter signage in foreign languages and comprehend it immediately. You ask questions aloud and your environment answers naturally, instantly, as if it's an extension of your own consciousness. This represents a fundamental shift that nobody's adequately discussing. The goal isn't turning humans into robots dependent on technology. It's giving humans the kind of constant, effortless, connected awareness that machines possess. The AI inside these glasses doesn't create dependency. It creates augmentation. You move through your day with enhanced clarity, curiosity, and learning capacity because you're not staring at screens. You're expanding what your natural senses can perceive and process. This changes not just how people live, but fundamentally how they think about their relationship with information and environment. Once you experience a world that can explain itself in real time without interrupting your natural flow, there's no returning to the old paradigm of constantly pulling out your phone to search for information. The information becomes ambient, contextual, and seamlessly integrated into your experience. Ray-Ban Meta glasses matter because they're not showcasing what AI can do. They're revealing what humans can do when the right technology gets out of their way. They look like sunglasses, but behind those lenses is a quiet revolution, the kind that doesn't just change consumer electronics markets. It changes how people think, work, create, and imagine possibilities. For years, technology pulled our focus into screens. Now, for the first time, it's giving that focus back while providing enhanced capability. You're not escaping reality into digital alternatives anymore. You're engaging with reality on an entirely new level of understanding. The real power isn't in what these glasses can do technically, it's in what they unlock in human potential. They make technology disappear so creativity and curiosity can emerge unimpeded. You're no longer switching between real and digital worlds. You're seamlessly blending them into unified experience. This represents the inflection point where ambient computing, artificial intelligence, and human augmentation converge into practical, wearable, socially acceptable form. The implications extend far beyond the smart glasses category. This is the template for how humanity will integrate with increasingly sophisticated AI systems, not through intrusive interfaces, but through invisible augmentation that enhances rather than replaces natural human capabilities. And that's the hidden truth about Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. They're not just smart eyewear, they're the beginning of invisible AI that learns from and enhances human perspective. You're not just using these glasses, you're helping build the future of human-AI interaction. What's your take on this vision? Does technology that learns from your perspective excite or concern you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this deep dive changed how you see Ray-Ban Meta glasses, smash that like button and subscribe to CircuitPoint for honest tech analysis that goes beyond surface features. Check the description for links, and we'll see you in the next one.